Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Camel Guys Detail Garage. So today we have this 4Runner right here, and the owner always forgets to clean his door jambs. Look at all this gunk. We got mud, we got dirt, we got all that nasty type of stuff. So I got EcoSmart RU. All I'm gonna do is just go ahead and spray onto the surface. I'm gonna let it agitate the dirt. So I'll give it a second, and I'll get a Workhorse microfiber towel, and I'll wipe it in one direction. So as I'm wiping, I am rolling my towel. You might say, why do you roll your towel? Because I want to get a clean edge. So I'm not gonna rub this same towel onto the surface again. I'm gonna flip over my towel and buff off any residue. EcoSmart RU does contain a carnauba base, so it's gonna leave a little bit of wax left behind. And look at this, it just went ahead and cleaned it all up. So I'll do the same exact thing over here. I'll go and give it some couple of sprays over here. I'll get my clean side of my microfiber towel, and same exact thing. I'll wipe in one direction. And I'm rolling my towel as I go to avoid any imperfections in the paint. So door jambs is one of the biggest things that people tend to forget to clean. Yes, they might have the car clean from the outside, but once you open up that door and you start looking inside the door jambs, a lot of people tend to miss it. So I'll buff off the wax, and look at that. I just went ahead and cleaned it up. Let me get a little bit more of a EcoSmart, a little bit more sprays. Give it some wiping action. Let me get another clean microfiber towel, get a clean one, and just buff off the residue. So now whenever you open up your door jamb, they'll be clean. So you'll have the outside and the inside clean. If your door jambs are super muddy, we recommend getting the best exterior detailing brushes kit. It comes with everything you need. You could even use soap and water, like your favorite soap. My favorite soap is Honeydew Snow Foam. I'll get a bucket of water with my dirt trap in there, dunk them in there, and then I'll start agitating and I'll wipe it down. All right guys, so now we're right here at the B pillar, the most neglected part of the car, other than your paint and your engine bay. Just kidding, I can't even wink. All right guys, so if we look at it now, this part right here is super dirty. So let me just go ahead and close the door and look at this nasty buildup. It's kind of bad. We have dirt, we have fingerprints, we got dust. All right, so let me get to cleaning. So I'll get my EcoSmart RU again, and I don't want to get overspray all over the surface of the cloth seats or back there. So I'm gonna go and spray my towel down with some couple of sprays. I'll put my product down and I'll wipe in one direction. Same exact thing, I'm wiping in one direction, and look at that, it's building up. Get a clean side microfiber and just buff it right off. Wow, so let me go ahead and start cleaning these hinges. I'm gonna get down low, and right here I am gonna spray it directly on it just to add more lubrication to it. I'll put my finger down a little bit lower and go in there. Yes, it is a little bit more difficult if you're not using brushes, but you can still get the job done just by using EcoSmart RU. EcoSmart lifts up any dirt, debris, or any buildup. So I'll get a clean side and just start buffing it off. Let me get a little bit more cleaning power. Just a little bit more sprays in there. And same exact thing, all you want to do is just go ahead and clean it all up. Behind the door, especially during the winters. Yes, I get it guys, here in LA we don't have any winters, we always have nice weathers, but over there like Baltimore and Connecticut, because Connecticut is a big one, and any other states that have very harsh winters. So salt tends to get stuck in the door jambs on your undercarriage, and it starts deteriorating your car. But also like hot, humid states like Louisiana and Florida, where you get buildup from dirt, dust, debris, or even mud all over your hinges, and over time with the moisture of the air, it starts eating through your paint and starts causing rust. Not as fast as salt, but you still do get some type of damage on your paint. So I got 2 more hinges on that side, and I got the trunk hatch to finish up. So you guys like this video, I would appreciate it if you guys like it and subscribe. And don't forget guys, we post every Monday, Thursday, and Friday. Drop a comment down below, let me know what kind of video you guys want to see, and I'll adjust it to the team and we'll get back to you guys, all right? Happy detailing.